Hello and welcome back everyone to another episode of tutorials for Stylish Cost Calculator. This is Mike from Designful and I will give another tutorial today on how to build a cost calculator for a copywriting company that charges a service and they charge, I guess, a fee of 4 cents per word for content creation. I believe that's what it is. I just had a user email me and ask me how to build a calculator for her pricing structure. So I figured I will do a tutorial on it. I'm just seeing this price list for the first time, so I'm just guessing that the prices here are a la carte prices. For example, she charges for an analysis, professional analysis, $50 or $99. Usually this fee is deducted from the cost of your services. For audiobooks, she charges $150 per hour, so that's going to probably have a slider. Anything here that is an a la carte price, this could be a button or a drop down because they're just one-time fees for each service. But something like $150 per hour, we're going to probably use a slider for that. And if we go down to this one here, the copy editing, professional editor will review your manuscript, blah, 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 blah. That is 4 cents per word. So we're definitely going to use a slider for that. Now, we're going to use a slider on a separate subsection because we don't want the slider's value to multiply any of the above elements or any other elements in that. So that's going to be something that we're going to keep in mind. So her service is called, I'm not even too sure. I don't even know what to call this. Let's call this copy editing services. Okay, we're going to save the calculator. And copy editing service. I might come up with a better title later on. I'm not too sure. She does have some copy here. I can't copy and paste that. We could have put that in the description. So let's start with the easy stuff. She charges. I'm not sure if I want to do a drop down would be good if you only want to select one option. So for example, let's say she has different types of audiobooks. She charges a different fee for each one. You can only select one, then that's when a drop down would be useful. But in this circumstance, these are just a la carte services that anyone could pick. So I would probably do a checkbox for at that point. I like to put in the name of the checkbox what the service is and the price. So for analysis, $99. Yeah, analysis. $99. And we are going to add a second product. Author marketing kit. $225. The author website, $475. Author website, $475. Keep the same formatting for here, $225. I like to do that just so that people know when they click on it how much it costs. Again, anything to do with the words is going to be a separate subsection. If you needed a separate title for that, then that's when you create a new section. But if you don't need a separate title, we don't need the new section. We just need the subsection. So that's when we're going to click on the slider. And the slider would be copy editing. Copy editing. How many words you're like, I don't know if you guys have a max words. Let's say 10,000 is the most that she ever wants to charge. She's going to be charging 4 cents per word. It'll step up by 1 word, or you can do increments of 100 words if you want, just so that yeah, it depends on how your pricing structure is. If you want it to be incremental, that's when the step really works. So let's see if there's anything else that can need a slider. I thought I saw something else that needed a slider. I was charging. Oh yeah, per hour finished book. So audiobooks, we're going to do a separate subsection for the audiobooks because we can only do 1 slider per subsection because of the math. So audio books. How does she talk about this? She says a professional sound engineer per hour finished. So audiobook engineering, I guess you can say. And then you can put in brackets that it's how much is she charging? 150 per hour. Let's say you only want to do up to 15 hours maximum or 20 hours maximum, and you're charging $150 per hour. Great. So this should be fine. Let's save it and see what it looks like so far. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. The bubbles are a little bit bigger in this preview section than it is in real life on the website, but it will look something similar to this. So with the analysis, $99. It's automatically selecting. You can, you see down here the default was 1, but you can put the default as 0. Actually, that might make a little bit more sense. Let's do that. Let's save that. Let's start everything off at 0, just so that the total here is 0. I have it in euros right now. That's in my global settings. Over here you can go into settings and change that to dollars. Anyway, so $99 or euros, whatever. The author book marketing, and then this is charging per cent per word. Yeah, and then you click on the detail list and it gives you a really nice breakdown of what it is and how much it costs. So that's this is the end of this tutorial, and if you guys need any more help on your price list, I mean, I can do the best I can. Today I had some extra time to do stuff like this, but we do get swamped periodically. We can receive anywhere between 5 to 20 support emails per day, and it's just me and my developer that are trying to get through these support emails. So do bear with us. We don't always have the time to create this, but if it is about a service that we haven't created a video for already, I will try my best to make a video. And hope you guys found this helpful. We are looking to improve the cost calculator. My idea is to have the best one on the market. That's what the goal and the vision, the mission is. So do send us some feedback and suggestions of any features that you think would be would help the greater good. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.